So, as I was walking through the boat show, I came across a thing. This. So, Temo, it's an electric outboard, is it?
Absolutely. It's Temo 1000 watts. It's a brand new product that we are launching on this boat show. Temo 1000 is manufactured in France. It's 15 kilos weight. It can propel big tenders up to 5 meters and also light sailing boats up to 8 meters.
Well, my sailing boat's 7.9, so that's perfect.
Absolutely. More than 1 ton, 1.3, 1.5 tons is the maximum weight it can propel. So you've got a few innovations on this one compared to what is existing on the market. First of all, you will be able to adjust the shaft 20 centimeters high. No need to choose between short or long shafts, so it will be perfectly adapted to your boat. The second thing is you have a very innovative mounting bracket, so it's easy to Okay, so easy to remove, easy to install, clack.
Okay.
You can block the reverse afterwards.
I'll do my best.
And now the outboard is installed on your boat, ready to go. Very important. No. Can we do it again?
Just carry on, it'll be alright, I'll cut it out.
Okay. Tu peux absolument montrer le 360.
Ah, okay, sure.
So, you have a 360 degrees wheel, which enable to install your outboard from the inside of your boat. So that's very practical when there are waves and.
Yeah, it's a lot easier because the worst thing about mine is hanging over the boat to try and hold it on.
This way?
You can leverage to have the outboard at this level when you get closer from the shore. So there is a battery, which is a cassette battery. So with this outboard, no need to plug in some cables or so. It's not in 3 blocks. It's just the battery cassettes, such as on e-bikes. So you will basically put it on very easily. C'est bon. Okay.
This way?
The water can get in. It's IP67. It's waterproof. It's made for that. And so, last thing, you have a retractable handle that you can just take on and off also, because on sailing boats sometimes you won't need the handle.
Yeah, that's ideal.
On a reef you will need it, so it enables to gain some space. Basically, you've got the key. Here we go. And then you just need to press 2 seconds the display, and it will show you all the characteristics. You will have the battery left, the power used, but also if I'm not on neutral position, it will show you a little sign.
Ah, right, so you need to put the thing on neutral then. So it's 1.1 kilowatts, is it? 1 kilowatt?
Yes, we communicate on 1 kilowatts, and it's quite light. It's 15 kilos, battery included, but you can carry both separately. So
yeah. Awesome.
that's the one.
And what's the endurance? How long will the battery last if you're at full power, for instance?
Full power, minimum 1 hour.
Right.
We're working on that to improve even the 1 hour range.
But realistically, you're not going to be at full power, are you? Because it'll probably move the boat at half power and you'll get a couple of hours range.
And you can buy a spare battery.
Right, so you could have 2
What
batteries.
is good also is you've got a charging time of 5 hours and a half, because actually on the market it's more than that. I think with a classic charger it takes like 8 hours. Here it's only 5 hours. You have the possibility to buy a 12-volt charger to recharge directly on your boats, and we will also sell the fast chargers, and it reduces the time of charge of half of it.
Nice. And you said you're also developing a remote control so you can control the power from somewhere else on the boat.
Yes.
Eventually.
Yes. It's not ready yet, but
Yeah.
it will be one of the features in the future.
So then you could have it in sail mode on your transom, and you could sit in the cockpit and control it and use it that way.
Yes, that's something
Excellent.
to develop still.
Yeah,
But
excellent.
we should get to that.
Yeah, I think that'd be a game changer. Yeah,
Yes.
I think that'd be fantastic. All right, anything else you want to add?
No, we're happy to be here on this boat show with our distributor named Marine Components International, based in Poole, and Temo is distributed in all around the UK already with this little outboard, which is much lighter. It's not the same power. It's made for small dinghies, so this is already sold all over the country. Very practical, easy to carry. So you can expect Temo 1000 to be distributed by the same dealers in the UK.
Excellent. Thank you very much. I want one, but apparently they won't give me one for free. So, what can you do?